Start. We have your message and we shall have the invoice and the bills of lading ready by the time the ship sails on Wednesday. Since the business for the year shows a heavy loss, the bank may wish to have a voice in the firm's affairs. We refuse to pay this sum when we can get the same items for less. May we know why this small bill is unpaid? As you know, we have allowed it to go beyond the usual time. We shall be happy to give you details of any of the items which appear on the bill. In a month, we hope to add the names of a dozen firms which will sell our silk. I have seen the head of the firm and I think he will renew the lease on the office in South Avenue. He will, I think, wish to lease fewer rooms and thus effect a saving. His firm has had a poor year and for this reason he has to save some money. We shall be happy to give you the names of those hotels which have bought them.